Hi there, first time catching your stream. I just finished watching the Fat Electrician single ply video. I'm glad that this is a more tame stream comparatively. Oh, honey. Accidentally? Oh no! My underwear is slipping off. Rexon calls him Princess. Does he also slap his bare feet together?
Get ready.
Hey there, Princess. I need you to get on Discord.
Alright guys, the last letter.
What? I don't know how long that's gonna last. All right, we're gonna go to the next video. Weeb brings moaning anime gun to Airsoft game. Oh. Ooh.
Anyway, a friend of mine wanted to have a go with my new DVL-10 from my previous videos, so in exchange for that, he promised he would do an epic paint job.
Is that a waifu gun? Where's Fifi on this? Where's Fifi? Come on, no VTubers?
Up on my brand new, free upgraded Sweat Airsoft AKS
Come on.
74U.
A secret you want to tell me, or bro, this thing was expensive. Ay ay ay.
You have to turn it on and then you have to press the button.
That's crazy.
You're welcome, man. Fuck's sake.
Whilst being absolutely fabulous, this thing is as realistic as you can get it. When you open it up, it is frighteningly accurate to the real thing.
I like, oh, they have to censor the top of it. How?
Except for that it literally moans when you insert a fresh magazine.
Sorry.
And when you pull the trigger,
And the shoot is gonna go.
and wait till you hear what it sounds like when you flick it into full fun mode. Anyway, we're at a brand new epic site that just opened up in the Ardennes Forest.
That looks so
literally where the
cool.
Battle of the Bulge was fought 77 years ago. This place features endless corridors, bridges, passageways, and countless angles to get shot from. A perfect place for this ridiculous thing to give your position away by moaning in the corridors. Back to business. Let's see how long it'll take me to get
Business!
kicked out.
Ooh. Help. It's so fast on that too. The spam, the ooh spam.
Nice. Good shit.
Crazy. Oh man. Got him. I mean, what a way to go though, you know? Yeah, what an honor.
With the castle being under enemy control, we need to establish a safe circle so we sweep the surrounding forest to make sure we don't get ambushed from behind when we make our move to charge up the castle.
Yo yo.
Those sounds are epic.
Stay. Lekker man.
How does this work? Like, if you get hit, then you're out, or? Dang. Plunk. Ooh, ooh. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Do you get dehydrated a lot, need a drink that won't break the bank? Then you should get Gamersupps. They believe in traditional American values, like anime girl guys. It's caffeine-free and caffeinated. in 2 kinds of tubs. Gamersupps improved my social life, and now I can stop seeing people in the mirror. Popular flavors include Guacamole Gamer Fart 9000, Sweet 6-Pack, Blowhole Blast, and Sploosh. Use discount ChaCha at checkout for 10% off. Stay hydrated, stay hydrated, stay hydrated. I'm dead. Every time. The oohs are kind of on point though. Oh. Oh. Usually you're out and signal by holding your hand up, and then you go back to headquarters to revive. That's kind of cool. Would I ever be good? No, I would never be good at this, but this looks really cool.
Sorry, boys.
Oh.
You hit here, it exploded here. I'm around the corner, bro.
Every time it moans! Ooh.
Find out!
Dang.
Left down.
Man.
Nice.
Hi there, first time catching your stream. I just finished watching the Fat Electrician single ply video. I'm glad that this is a more tame stream comparatively. Oh, honey. Well, I don't know how long that's gonna last. But anyway.
Oeh, jezus. Ik hoef geen anime character in mijn waffel te hebben.
Having cleared the lower levels, we're now ready to make our way up to the upper reaches of the castle.
Ja, inderdaad. Daar beneden.
This place is so cool though.
No, they're dead.
Crazy. Yeah, the body cam is super good.
Okay, shut up.
Shut up! Don't tell your woman to shut up, man. She's just trying to help.
Bruh.
The bruh.
Nice. In the window.
Not now, Kitten Whiskas. Every time.
Ah, come on! I'm gonna retreat.
Okay, you hit?
No, I'm good.
Man, that's so cool. And I don't know about you guys, but like, it was very pretty. Like the whole scenario, the whole field of battle, it was very, very aesthetic to me. So, anyway,